Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ruby. So basically, I am reading some very terrifying incidents from 2024, so I am bringing the ice cream truck from one of my subs. So basically, I had an older sister named Clara and the worst could ever happen at her. So basically when it was nighttime, me and Clara heard ice cream truck music outside, so that meant that there was an ice cream truck outside. Clara went to get some ice cream until the worst ever happened. I heard a loud scream while I was sleeping. And the next day I saw her on the news. Claire Ramirez, Luna. So I was in the shock, but I was addicted to ice cream. They said that she was last seen on September 17, 2024 when I was completely in shock. Like who could have this of her? And then a few days later they reveal she was dead or alive. She was dead. So yeah, that's the ice cream incident. Stay safe guys, bye.